sir. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As promised, the most awaited evening is here, and we have Major General Bakuni sir with us, and he needs no introduction. We all know that sir has been shaping young minds for some time now. He's been interviewing officers. He's been the president and commandant to SSB Bangalore, and currently the Sure Shot Academy that he's running. We always, every second day, we get to hear recommendation stories and success stories on that page. So without taking any further time, sir, we are absolutely privileged. We are absolutely blessed to have you on this platform, and we will be eagerly listening to every word that you say. And we just want to warmly welcome you on this platform and extend our gratitude for accepting our invitation, sir.
Thank you. I'm really honored and grateful, Captain Dharamveer. What a pleasure it is. I always love to interact with the youth and, of course, youth like you who always remain young. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, there are a lot of people who have already interacted with you in past, and there must be something untold about you which people don't know. And if I may take the liberty, a lot of people also mentioned that there is a very interesting story about you and ma'am, which you had probably promised a lot of people to disclose that. If you can briefly touch upon the story which a lot of people want to hear today, sir. How did you meet ma'am, and when eventually ma'am came to your life and became the better or the best half of your life, sir?
Thank you very much. I don't know, you would have found out this kind of story. I have hardly shared with anyone.
Sir.
But yes, it is also another interesting chapter in the sense that I was actually very shy of girls. I hardly used to interact because you will agree, I never studied in a co-ed, never seen any girls till 12th class. After that, I joined the army and became an officer. I was actually very shy. And you know what happened? In 1985, I decided to get married if I find a suitable girl. My parents were also looking for a match, and they used to collect a lot of photographs whenever I used to come on leave. So it never clicked to me. And one fine day, what happened? I came on leave after promising my unit that, they said, you are the senior most bachelor, you must get married now. And I went, Manaka, I will come as a married man. I just said this, it may have been a jokingly, I may have told them, And because he said कि तब अगले वालों का नंबर आएगा जब आप शादी कर लोगे तब next bachelor's का नंबर आएगा. I came, and Dharmir, a very interesting thing happened. One day, I was just passing through the bus stand of Almora, and I saw an old couple. I think somebody is calling up. I don't know. So I, what happened in the bus stand? I saw my would-be wife Madhu, along with her parents. They were getting down from the bus and taking out their luggage. And I saw this girl. I could make out she's, of course, from our hills area only. And they were just next to the bus stand. They were heading towards that. I met the father and helped him. And since it was, they say something called love at first sight. So can you believe, people will think such kind of action abnormal? I went to my would-be father-in-law, say, sir, I'm Captain Vinod Bhakuni. He said, okay. So, and he says, that's very, so I told him, sir, I would like to get married to your daughter. I'm a serving captain in the army. I belong to so-and-so place and also. He was a bit shocked and surprised. So we came to the hotel. He said, okay, he was just trying to brush me aside. He was feeling a little embarrassed. He said, okay, let me have lunch. We are here for a lunch break. Then we have to go and all that. And you come after the lunch, we can talk. So, and exactly after 1 hour, I came back there because I knew he's perhaps going to catch some connecting bus. Went there. He said, 1 hour is over. You have come in so early. Manka, sir, it is exactly after 1 hour I am coming. Anyway, I discussed with him, but he was not so pleased. And I again told him, sir, I am a captain in the army. He said, so what? so, so, and can you believe the very next morning, he said, tell your parents to talk to me. And he left. And I went to my father. A very interesting thing happened, which I can never forget. I came home, and I used to hear those dialogues in the film, telling the parents when the son says, "Hey," and I myself felt that I am repeating a similar dialogue, and I realized those dialogues have also some truth behind them. I came and I told my father, "पिताजी, आज तक आपसे कुछ नहीं मांगा." आज पहली बार आपसे कुछ मांग रहा हूं। तो मैंने कहा यार ये मैं कोई रटा रटाया डायलॉग बोल रहा हूँ किसी थर्ड रेट हिंदी मूवी का। So but it happened, there was no other dialogue possible during such a time. And anyway, my father took it very supportingly, my mother, and we both we all three landed up in their place right early in the morning. By the first bus we reached, and we had conversation for 2-3 hours there. Ultimately we were sort of, after that we were virtually sort of thrown out from the house. Not exactly that, but they did not welcome us. They said, okay, sorry, you carry on. There is for the time being no possibility, because I'm working in Dubai. He was in the merchant navy, and I have to leave on 2nd of December. And this happened on November 19th. I remember the date. Anyway, to cut the story short, and after that, I hardly had any hope, but I virtually went to a temple of ours and prayed, God, if you want to see me married, I want this girl. Otherwise, perhaps I may remain unmarried. And on 23rd of November, I find my father-in-law coming back and to our house, agreeing to the proposal, but putting a condition that we'll get married after 1 year. I convinced him again. He agreed for 6 months. And finally he says, I told him, I don't want anything. Why you are, going for, I can marry in a temple. And can you believe it? After that, we decided, he agreed to my proposal, and we got married in a temple after 7 days. And in fact, there were 2 dates, 30th November and 2nd of December. So I said 30th of December. He said, yeah, at least give me 2 more days, 2nd of December. So finally on 2nd of December, we got married in a temple in Haldwani, and he could hardly get anybody. I was too happy. So, with the 2-3 cars, we went and we got married in a day's ceremony. So it was wonderful, memorial, most memorial, and everybody was shocked. In fact, one of my sisters never turned up in my marriage. She says, what is this nonsense you are doing? Making a mockery of the whole thing. You are an officer, behave like an officer. I said, I can't help it. You want to come? Up to you. Later on, she came. So this was a very interesting part. And people really, once I tell them, they hardly believe such a story can be possible.
Sir, thank you so much, sir. And the clearest takeaway for everybody who's watching is, no matter it is today's or times about 30-40 years ago, when you achieve your life goals, you get a new conviction and energy inside you, and you can actually reach out. और वो जो शाहरुख खान ने बोला है कि सारी कायनात आपकी चीजों को पूरा कराने के लिए आपके साथ हो जाती है, उस conviction के साथ सर गए, and I think it happened. Sir, many congratulations, sir, and I just wish and hope that someday I get an opportunity to have a cup of tea with Madhu ma'am.
Definitely.
I am that side, sir.
We'll look forward.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ। मैं अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं।
Want to know how to build the right attitude for SSB? Join General Bhakuni's exclusive mentorship club and get access to our SSB online course, personality development course, psych assessment, and our online personal interview. Apart from these, you will also get other perks and benefits, including interaction with General Bhakuni in every 15 days, free study material, mentoring by experts, and a personal call with General Bhakuni before your SSB.